So for example, this question 5/2 minus x is equal to 3x. 5/2 ये जो आपका x है ये आप इस साइड ले आए. This became 4x. So 4x is equal to 5/2. यहाँ तक बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. अब 5/2 is equal to 2.5. ये भी ठीक है. x is equal to 2.5/4. यहाँ लाके क्वेश्चन आपने अगर छोड़ दिया ये इनकरेक्ट है. यहाँ आपके नंबर
Yeah,
चले जाएंगे.
because you can't divide, like put a decimal in a fraction, but I didn't know how to do it.
जी, and that is why I want to discuss this. That is my point. See, the easier way of doing this is 4x is equal to 5/2. Therefore, x is equal to 5/2 into 4. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So therefore, the final answer is x is equal to 5/8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Samay ji, any doubt? Let's see the next equation. So 2x minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 5/6. Okay. So Aishwarya ji, can you tell me what you have done here?
1 second.
So if you have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 4, please try to do it like this. Please try to do it like this. For a simple reason that you will remember what you are doing. अब ये देखिए, आप इसको जब solve करेंगे, this will be equal to 8x minus 4 upon 12 minus 9x upon 12 is equal to 5/6. ऐश्वर्या जी समझ आया?
Yeah.
And that is why when you take the LCM 12, this will be 8x minus 4 minus 9x is equal to 5/6. ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? -x minus 4 upon 12 is equal to 5/6. Aishwarya ji, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, see, I don't know whether they have discussed that in your school or not, but there is something called cross multiplication. So, cross multiplication means that you can put a sign like this. So, what this means is 6 into minus x minus 4 is equal to 5 into 12. Samay ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what this means is minus 6x minus 24 is equal to 60. Minus 6x is equal to 60 plus 24. Minus 6x is equal to 84. X is equal to 84 upon 6. Minus 6 1 the 6 4 the 24. So your answer would be minus 14. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No.
So this is called cross multiplication. Cross multiplication.
Okay.
So using this, things become easier. I'll give you another example of cross multiplication so that there is no doubt.
So, question 49, can you check mine? I just had
Okay, sure. 1 second. I'll just give you an example, one more example of cross multiplication. If I can find. Okay. So for example, this equation. Yeah. Now, what you can do is you can put a cross like this. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
What this means is you can write this as 4x plus 5. Sorry. This is called cross multiplication. So 4x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 7 into 6. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No.
Therefore, 8x is equal to 32x is equal to 4. This is a easier way of doing the sums. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Somaji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood what is cross multiplication?
Yes, sir.
So for example, फिर से देखिए, in equation like this, when I say cross multiply, I put a sign like this, and this means x plus 4 into 7 is equal to 3 into 7. 7x plus 28 is equal to 21. 7x is equal to minus 7, therefore x is equal to minus 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya ji, if you want to check this answer, x is equal to minus 1, is it correct or not? What you should do?
You should substitute it in the equation.
But you go back to this, your first initial equation, and you put the value of x here.
Yeah. So then minus 1 plus 4 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7, which is correct.
Any doubt?
No, sure.
If we want to check this answer, what we should do?
Again, you substitute it in the equation.
Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, the point is, this is basic mathematics on which class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th would be based on. अगर आपका ये लेवल का मैथ्स अच्छा हो जाता है, तो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यू विल फेस नॉट मच इशू. यहीं पर अगर कंफ्यूजन शुरू होगी तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर आर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट इफ यू कैन remember and if you can understand, they will help you a lot. So for example, if you look at this, how should I solve this? The method is okay, but there is a shortcut. What is the shortcut? 13a is equal to 26 into 15. Aishwarya ji, is it correct?
Yeah.
My point is, why do you need to multiply 26 and 15? Why are you wasting time here? Why don't you write this as 26 into 15 upon 13?
Okay.
Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
And this is what we had done as a homework also in one of the classes. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
देखिए ऐश्वर्या, आपने ठीक किया है, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप यहाँ टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. आप बात समझ रहे हो?
Yeah.
आपने 26 into 15 किया, 390 किया, ये 390 upon 13 किया और फिर आपने डिवाइड किया और फिर ये आंसर आया. आपको करने की जरूरत क्या है? आप लिखिए a is equal to 26 into 15 upon 13. इसको कैंसिल कीजिए और a की वैल्यू 30 निकालिए. See, these small things will help you save time and will make your trip smoother. नहीं तो आप परेशान रहेंगे हर बार मैथ्स को देख के.
Okay.
Every time maths will come, आप बोलोगे अरे हे भगवान, फिर से मैथ्स. प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. एंड अभी तो सम्स छोटे हैं, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड सम्स थोड़े लंबे हो जाएंगे, बट इफ यू कैरी ऑन विद दीज बैड हैबिट्स, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. ओके, नाइस, वेरी नाइस. सो ओके, so there are few things I wanted to discuss here. यार ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन 34 क्या था? Anybody has question 24? ये कुछ गड़बड़ है यहाँ पर.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
What exactly is the question?
The question is 1 upon 4 is equal to z plus 1 upon 4.
Oh, then I thought that was 2.
मैं अब आपको देखिए, मेरी बात समझिए. Because in algebra, a lot of confusion will happen. If you see, I write z like this for a simple reason. I do not want any confusion between my 2, my 7. Have you understood? In one of the classes, we had discussed that आपका ये x है, this is also x and this is also x. तो मैं अब जो multiply है, I write it like this. So this is my multiply, this is my x. Or at times I write this as x also. But what I am very clear is that my x can be this or this, but my multiply would always be this. समझ any doubt?
No, sir.
So in algebra, because you'll have a lot of alphabets and those alphabets will cause a lot of confusion. So for example, if you have understood what is cross multiplication, you will be able to do this in a far smoother way. Let us look at the method again. Cross multiply. I draw arrows like these. So this is 2a is equal to 5 into a minus 3. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
यार मैंने ठीक किया या कुछ गड़बड़ा?
सर ठीक किया.
ठीक है. तो फिर आपने कुछ गड़बड़ की है? हाँ, नहीं ठीक है. Sorry. Okay. I think ये बीच वाले सम्स ठीक है. I don't see any problem. यहाँ पर I think I saw some problem. तो x is equal to 2x plus 3 by 4. ठीक है, ये हो गया. उसके बाद फिर ये तबाही क्या हो रही है? सानू जी, have you understood?
Yeah, it should have been x minus 2x.
यहाँ कोई गड़बड़ है. So this should come here. This should be x plus 2x is equal to 3 by 4. 3x is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 4. Sanu ji, is it okay?
Yes, sir. So just one step was.
हाँ. यहाँ भी कुछ तो भाई है. तो can you tell me what exactly is the question? Question number 40. What is the question?
So question 40 is a minus a upon 3 plus a upon 5 is equal to 26.
Sanu ji, what do you want to do here?
I have
This should
got
be-
the denominator same.
हाँ जी, so this should be 15a upon 15a, ना?
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? And then, so I think the only thing which is missing is a a. I think that is the problem. So you should be writing a a here. Yeah. So 15 plus 3, 3a is 18a minus 5a is 13a. Rest is okay. वहीं कुछ थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है, which I had a doubt कि issue क्या है. Okay. I think rest is okay. Rest was okay. Okay. Soumya ji, what question do you want to discuss?
Question 49.
Question 49. Okay. Question is 2x minus 1 upon 3 minus 3x upon 4 is equal to pi by 6. Okay. So what do you want to do? आपने 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ओके। यहाँ पर आपने 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ओके। यहाँ आपने 4 से किया, so 6, yeah.
So if we make the denominator same as that, okay?
Yeah, absolutely, it's okay. So basically, what you can do is, you can take the denominators. If you want to understand the logic, you take the denominators, you take a LCM of all the denominators. So my LCM is 3, 1, the 4, the 2, the 2, 2, the 1, the 2, 3 to the 6 to the 12. So basically, if you make the denominator, all the denominators equal to 12, you will be able to solve this easily. Soumya, have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm suggesting is that 24 is absolutely okay, but 2 is also okay. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
2 करने का फायदा ये होगा, you will get smaller numbers. Aishwarya ji, are you following the logic?
Yeah.
Confusion है क्या?
No.
So basically, you take that. Yeah.
How is 2 okay? Because it doesn't divide 3.
No, either you take 12 or what you have done 24. So for example, if I want to take 12, so what I'll do is 2x minus 1 upon 3 into 4 minus 3x upon 4 into 3 into 3 is equal to 5 into 2 and 6 into 2. Soumya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why should I do this? Because this will become 8x minus 4 minus 9x is equal to 10. And there is a 12 underneath all the numbers which will get cancelled. नहीं समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, confusion हो रही है क्या? So for example, when you have taken 24, let me clear the confusion. So for example, when you have taken 24, do you see this 24 and this 24 gets cancelled here? Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
And that is what I'm suggesting, that rather than 24, even if you had taken the number in the denominator, you had tried to make the denominator equal to 12, you could have easily done the question. Any doubts, Anvi?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Amaji, any other question you want to discuss? I think the rest of your questions are okay. There is not much of a problem.